Proven methods to make money online, case studies, step-by-step workbooks, guides, walkthrough videos. There's lots more coming up for you in today's video. So what can you expect? Well, essentially, I'm going to share with you an update on the Not Taught at School University. This launched over a year, so it's just come past its first birthday. And in today's video, I'm just going to walk you through everything that we have got going inside of there, what you can expect from this, and plans for the future. Hello and welcome to today's video. So before we dive in, I just want to give you a bit of a backstory to this and how this whole thing came about. So essentially, about 18 months ago, I'd got to the point where I was fed up of buying all of these ridiculous courses online. I'm sure you've done the same, where you buy a course, you go through it, but at the end of it, you either have no idea how it works or it's just nonsense. So I thought, do you know what? I'm going to go ahead and create my own training platform. And this is what this is. So it was for 3 months, we went ahead and built the university with a bunch of beta testers. This was people who were making money online, and it was also brand new people in there. So originally we launched this, I think we had like 7 sections in the beginning. Then what's happened is, over the course of the year, we've trialed and tested new methods, we've incorporated new stuff, and everything now goes into the university. So essentially, this over here is a complete resource for anyone who is looking to make money online using your knowledge, your skills, your experience, even your hobbies. You can make money with it. You genuinely can. And this is what is covered inside of here. So we start off with building multiple streams of income. We go through absolutely everything you can see on here. We've got workbooks, ideas, assessments, and all this sort of stuff. But once we go through this here, this building multiple streams of income, then we start determining our niche. So where are we going to go with this? You know, what do we want to focus on? What are our interests? How can we pick a niche, etc. So full section on this, going through picking a niche. But then we go into the really, the good stuff, which is whereby we are looking at the different ways we can monetize our interests, skills, etc. So you can see on here, we have got affiliate marketing. Now, everything in here, I'd say about 95% of the content inside of here, I am doing myself in my own online business. As many of you know, I am a practitioner, not a guru. So with these sections here, for example, with affiliate marketing, I am doing that. I share inside of this whole section here, everything I am doing to make money with affiliate marketing. And it's a similar process. We go through, everything I am doing, what, different case studies inside of here, and lots more. So we have a huge section here on affiliate marketing. We cover literally, we don't hide anything. We share with you exactly, the products we're promoting, resources for creating this, and lots more. Then after affiliate marketing, we've got YouTube, again, similar process. We've got TikTok, we have got starting an online agency, printables, and lots more. But here's the cool thing, why I think this product over here stands head and shoulders above anything online. I genuinely do. To prove that these methods on here all work, we have this down here. We have a case study section and we have live workshops. So you can see on here, this is what we've currently got in our case study section. So for example, this one here you can see is an ongoing case study. I think we're up to day 75, something like that. This one here is building, what was this one here? Building automated affiliate websites. And all of these methods I start from complete scratch to walk through the members and show them all of the steps of we're doing this. So you can see on here, this case study here is going down. They're not small case studies. Keep coming further on the page here. Day 10 up there. This one here, day 15 in this case study, we earned some money from scratch. Come further on the page here, you can see day 67, but that case study is still ongoing. That's just one of the case studies that we've got inside of the university. I'll share another one with you. Go and have a look at, let's look at this one. YouTube and Amazon, something completely different. So again, starting point, starting from zero to prove that anyone can make money with this. Scroll further on the page here, look. Day 1, finding keywords, videos, views, rabbit hole, potential, results after 7 days. Day 9, day 10, etc. Day 14, results and first commission. Day 16, YouTube hacks, etc. Okay, so we have all of this going on inside of the university. We have all of these case studies and we all have these live workshops. So we had one for creating Instagram theme pages. Again, this was a recent one. So resources, best niches and homework, day 2, part 2, etc. Day 3, day 4. So we have all of these case studies and workshops going on inside of here. I also go ahead and buy different products and software that our members here, you can see, they get access to this, they can sell it, they can give it away, they can do what they want with the products down here. We also have the newsletter over here. So every month we have a brand new newsletter that comes out. It's available, as we can see down here. You can download it as a PDF, and we also have this as a flipbook. And these newsletters normally are about 30 to 40 pages long. I'll quickly show you one. So if we dive in here, this will just take a second and then it opens up. But again, this is another resource that we have got for our members that comes out every single month. So you can see on here, lots going on inside of here, case studies, side hustles, interview series inside of here, and lots more. And then we have lots more stuff going on inside of the university. You can see on here, we have got AI in here, so different ways we can make money with AI. Videos, guides, prompts that I am going ahead and giving away to our members. You can see on here all of this. So every single week we're adding in new pieces of content. We're just finishing off the e-commerce section now, where we're going through the on-demand section. And again, what I'm doing here is we're giving our members everything possible to help them get this method up and running. You can see on here, done for you designs, how to start a business, trends, best-selling products, quotes, how to start a clothing brand, mock-ups. What's this one here? 3,000 t-shirt prompts you can use with Midjourney. So yeah, so that is basically where we are up to with the university after it's come up to a year old. So it's everything inside of here. Now for this video, if you want to go ahead and check it out, there will be a link to it down below. Obviously you can go ahead and have a look at this. It will take you over to the sales page, and on the sales page over here you'll see a video from me, and then you will see actual feedback from members inside of the university. So people who have gone through the training, taken action, and are actually now making money online and from home using what we share inside of the university. It also comes with a private Facebook community, which is this one over here. Okay, and at this moment in time inside of the community, we are currently going through a TikTok. We're going through a TikTok challenge. So members inside of here, you can see day 14, we're all starting off new TikTok accounts from scratch, and we're all building them up and going on a journey together. Because I think this is an important part of when it comes to earning online. A lot of the time you're on your own, you might feel overwhelmed, you might not feel confident, you don't know what to do. Well, over here inside of the university, we're all doing this case study here together and going through it. So this is just one thing that comes with the Not Taught at School University. So yeah, look, that is pretty much today's video. I know it's a short video and it's not really sharing with you like different ways of step-by-step guides, but I thought it was definitely worthwhile mentioning and sharing this with you, because we are now a year old. Many of the these courses we see online, they just disappear, whereas the plan with the university moving forward is it will just continue to expand. It will continue to get bigger. If there are new methods that I am using myself in the business to make money, then it will go inside of here, and we'll continue bringing in experts in their fields to share feedback with the community. So yeah, look, that's it. Let me, by the way, if you are a member of the university, please comment down below what you think of it, or how you're finding it beneficial and useful, or even if you want to see anything else included inside of here. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.